Hey everyone, if you are seeing a repo client timeout or a message like fix disconnected cause client timeout, it usually means your device lost connection to the server due to inactivity or an unstable network. Here is how to fix it. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Weak or unstable connection can cause timeouts in a repo-related app or dashboards. Try switching networks or restarting your router. In next step, the repo app or platform you are using, a fresh launch can reset the session and clear any stuck connections. If the issue persists, log out and log back in to refresh your client session. If you're using a PC or a tool connected to a repo service, ensure that your firewall and antivirus software is not blocking the connection. You might need to whitelist the repo client or domain in your security settings. Lastly, if none above of the solution work, it could be a server-side issue, especially if other users are also experiencing the problem. Check the official status page or community channel for updates. Also, make sure to keep your repo client or app updated to avoid compatibility issues that may cause timeouts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.